CapDosing, the perfect addition for special applications. Particularly prized garments require special care. Hiking wear must retain its breathability and wicking properties. Favorite sport shirts should stay pleasant on the skin, and bath towels are meant to be soft, cuddly and fragrant. This is now all child's play with the Miele capsule dispensing system. Portioned capsules dispense detergent, care substances and additives without any mess or spillage. Simply fit a capsule, select the required program, and use the cap option to choose between additive, care product or detergent. The machine will then automatically dispense the selected product at the perfect time. This involves passing water through the capsule. This creates a siphon effect, causing the entire contents of the capsule situated below the detergent dispenser to be flushed directly into the drum, allowing the active ingredients to set to work to ensure optimum results. Thanks to separate water circuits, the detergent dispenser does not come into contact with the detergent and therefore remains nice and clean. Things could not be simpler or more hygienic. Miele capsule dispensing, the perfect addition for special applications.